Howdy everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Okay, so I just wanted to been showing this for a while. As promised, we are going to talk about the new automated track record that I just posted across my site. So across here, I just put a new button here at the top. It's pretty well on all the major components of my website, but I just want to show you what this is. Basically, we've been running this strategy that I've been kind of nicknaming minute by minute or MBM. So here, what we have here is the available dashboards. So these are the different time periods of the track record. I'll show you what it contains in a minute and how to interpret them. So I run this every day midnight, and this is brand spanking new, so should take effect midnight. Right now it is February 15th, so this is every day because it's crypto. And this is pretty exciting to show. All right, so all you gotta do is just click on this track record. Originally, I was gonna put something that you'd have to register for and email and all that. I'm keeping it open for now. So this is all, as I said, brand spanking new. So if you click on one of these links, it tracks the last 10 days at this site. Okay, so this is again the minute by minute crypto trading track record profit loss. So this is what it includes for now. Okay, a lot of people have been asking about this, so I'll show you what this includes and how to, as I said, to interpret it. So you can download the P&L zip file. Once you download that, then you can go in and open it up. Or in my case, run the utilization. So here's the latest stuff. So there's three files. First, I'm going to show you the P&L. It's a CSV file, comma separated value file. So if you bring up a standard text edit or any kind of basic editor, you're going to get this. So you're going to get the date, and I'll break it out for you. So what you could do is port it into a spreadsheet. In this case, I'm using LibreOffice, but Excel or Google Docs should work. Yeah, we don't want to do that. So let me just create a new file here, spreadsheet, and then similar to whatever you're using. Today would be nice. Thank you. Hello. Okay, so what you do is you just let's see here. I think I can copy. Let's see if this works. Yeah, so here you can import it, separate it by either tab or comma, and just to make it look easier. Okay, so right now there's 4 columns. This is the date, so it's recorded every day at midnight, and it'll track how much return there was for the trading period. Here, eventually, as of tomorrow, you'll get this column, which will give you the total P&L. Right now, it's very, very tiny as we're testing out the strategy, but I'll be putting a live real money into it. It's a very small amount right now, so the profit is tiny, but I'm going to scale it up to a couple $100. In here in this column, the third column is the actual win-loss ratio. So usually right now, as for instance, we would report here in my report roughly 87.88%. So basically that would mean that in this column, 87% of all trades would be winners, meaning profitable. This column right here would represent the total daily return for all the positions. So if I was to put in $100 here in the first day on January 18th, I would expect to get back with $100. I would expect to get a total return back at 1.18 or $1.18. The next day, I would expect with $100 that I'm putting at risk, I'd return back $12.34. And here you can see some really good days of $14, $16, $12, $15, and so on. I've not yet seen a day where it's lost any money. I've been running it now for 2 months, but we're starting to record everything and put it up on the website. The other thing is the average right now is about 8%. So this may go up over time on these returns. Just depends upon how the cryptocurrency market is. I do use Binance as the exchange for this. So this is how you interpret that. And then we have two other files. These are not really working at all, but I'll gladly talk about them. I have a video I'll be putting up on YouTube about stats. I currently have it on the Facebook. So if you want to go over to the QuantLabs.net page to get that, all you have to do is look for a video called this one right here, stats of this winning cryptocurrency trading bot. Okay, so you just look for that. That was posted 2 days ago. That will walk you through the statistics of what I'm about to show you. So in here, in the zip file that you can get access to every day, and it records it every day at midnight before everything shuts down. So that's 7 days a week because the crypto markets never close. So in here, what I've got is a simple text file. I'll just load up a text file here. Let me just load up that notepad or whatever, text editor here. So here is what it looks like. Everything's going to be 0 for now. The reason for that is how this script works is that it needs 90 days to start recording stuff. I'm approximating 90 days. So you'll start to see this data get filled out. So right now it's all blank, and at some point it will get filled out. So again, I do talk about this file in the video I just showed you on the Facebook page. So here we have the stats when it was generated, risk-free considered, total returns so far. If you were factoring the Sharpe ratio, here's the different annualized returns. Here we have other metrics which will include the Sharpe on a daily, monthly, yearly, the volatility, the average mean of each daily return, as well as some other stuff here. Here is the monthly return as it moves forward. So as you can see here, it's going to take about 3 months for this data to show up. Not only that, I've also included a chart, but again, this chart's pretty well screwed up just because there's no data in there. But again, this should start generating. This is the equity curve. So I'll update this video as the data gets generated and walk you through in a much more detailed way. But this is the typical what you would expect of an equity curve. Again, it's blank because we're just starting to record everything. So right now everything's ready to go. We're just waiting for days of data, as I said, 3 months worth, to start reflecting both in this track record text file as well as in the equity curve chart that I just showed you. So that's basically what you get. And again, to get access to that, all you got to do is come into the website at quantlabs.net. Anywhere you should see this little link here called Track Record, and then that will give you or get you access freely for now, access to the 10 days of reports on downloading the zip file with what I just showed you. Okay, so let's talk about why I'm doing this. First, nothing burns me more than all of these high-priced, egotistical trading gurus who go on about how they're the best, all these typical alpha male. This is part of a way to shut them down because I think if you're going to talk out of your, as I say in England, your arse, you better have proof. This is one way I do it. It's not only just an annual, but it's every day. This is automatically posted every day on this very successful strategy. So this is to sort of say this is how we're seeing things in the markets as of now with this live trading a strategy or bot, as others call it. And it's, as I said, it's only cryptocurrency for Bitcoin. So in that is to show that automatically, and just now it's going to be set and forgotten about and waited out for a couple of weeks or months to redo the video to give you a better walkthrough of the reports that I'm showing you. So for now, I'm posting this. I'm freely putting that up there so you can be the judge on what I put out. So if you want to join the analytics service or the Python course, it's all there. And it's made available freely. And I do this because I'm very, very beyond confident that this thing works. and I'm making it available. That's why I'm challenging any so-called trading guru out there that talks out of their arse or blowing smoke up people's is put your money where your mouth off and do the same thing, because this is critical to set a new standard on what people can expect when it comes to factoring in and building confidence if they can believe what a trading guru says, because there's a lot of hype out there and there's a lot of BS out there that people are very skeptical in this space. So that's why this is being done. And basically, I'm doing it with confidence because, as I said, we on average get anywhere from 85 to 90% win ratio with the trades. Right now, as I said, if you need to know the latest, that should get reported tonight, midnight. It's currently right now for 20 hours since midnight. It's traded 106. Let me just get the latest here. Right now, it's 109 positions have been traded. Very tiny P&L for now until we scale up the account size. And then we have a winning loss ratio of 88.07%, and the total return of rate of change is 14.417% since midnight last night, within 20 hours. That's why we do this. So hopefully this will raise confidence. If you got any questions, just reach me out on there's a contact us on the main page at quantlabs.net. Okay, so hopefully that will help you out. And again, this will be tracked for only 10 days for now, but this will change over time. And again, if you want to reach me, just reach me here or contact us, and you'll see all the social media links. Hopefully, I'll help you out, and we shall talk to you later.